Hey, what's up, y'all? Blue Badge Crypto here. Got another Doge update. But before we dive in, open your cell phone right now, type in your passcode, unlock it, hit your Twitter app, go follow us at Blue Badge Crypto on Twitter. Get it on the page. That's where you're going to get the most up to date trends, trading, and analysis in the market for mini coins, Bitcoin, all sorts of altcoins. That's where I'm giving the trade setups. That's where you're going to get the most up to date information. So go ahead, go follow, do that right now. Uh, let's dive into the Doge. We're on the 4 hour time frame. If you watch the previous Doge update video, I provided this exact trade setup. You only got it if you watched the video. And I specifically gave you our line here. So let's back it out and see what we're looking at here. Sorry, let's get out even more. So Doge is in its A, B, and C wave correction. We have our AWIC low, okay, right here of our large ABC correction in the white line. Let's go back into the 4 hour chart. So what we want to do is whenever Doge comes up, and so whenever Doge came up, it broke price. Let's get in on this price action over here. So Doge came up, it broke the line, it wicked all the way up to a little over 16 cents, came back down, tested our trend line at 15978 or so. And I told you that this is where we want to enter on the back test. We don't enter up here, we enter on back test, guys. And that provided, a beautiful long entry that led to a, oh wow, I gotta keep scrolling up. It led to approximately a 34% gain up there. And even if you were running a 2-3% stop loss, that didn't even get close to even wanting to stop you out. So even with a super tight stop loss, you're in great profit there. Even if you moved your stop loss to entry, once the trade started, getting going, up here, you move your stop loss up to entry. You didn't even get the back test at the entry point, so you would have still been good. Even if you're still just sitting on your hands right now, you hit the entry and you didn't do nothing, you're still sitting at a beautiful 17, 18% on the trade right now, which is amazing. If you're one of the people that are using leverage and you 5x that, then you're doing pretty dang good on that trade right here. If you took profits up here, where I had my support and resistance trend lines here in yellow, I had those in the last video for y'all, and you could have taken some profits up there as well. But this Doge setup is it's going beautifully. We're looking for hopefully some continuation up here. We do have somewhat of a trend line going. It could be something like that where the Bitcoin dropped. This is where Bitcoin dropped, and so you had a fake out here from the trend line, just like Bitcoin did. It had its fake out below the trend line. Let's see if I can pull it up. So kind of like right here where Bitcoin, it fell from resistance, right? So that coincides right where Doge came down and fell through its trend line, and it found support just before our AWIC low, okay, and then continued on, broke this trend line, and back tested as support. So that's why I think that this is the trend line right here. So what you could expect for Doge is keep on crabbing right here for a little bit, and then we hit this trend line, and then we're gone again. And that's an optimal thing for Doge. Let's pull up the EMAs and see what the EMAs say for Doge here. Oh, beautiful. That's beautiful to see. So on the hourly time frame, you're using this 20-day exponential moving average as support right now. And any time that you're on any time frame, hour, 4 hour, daily time frame, and you keep on bouncing off this 20 EMA, it's a pretty good sign that you're in a decent uptrend. Sorry, let me pull up. What I want to look at is what does Market Cipher look like right now? Oh, that's even better. So you can see that Market Cipher. Let me pull this all the way up. So Market Cipher has green cash flow. It gave you a buy signal on the blue waves. It came down, used the 50-day exponential moving average as support, gave you green cash flow, gave you a green buy signal, You're using the EMAs as support. This was a perfect entry. Even if you had no trend lines, you had none of these levels, none of that. If you were just trading a 1 hour chart and your market cipher looks like this and your EMAs look like that, that's as close to a foolproof entry as you can get, barring some market conditions that are unforeseen. But yeah, so this is what we're looking at for Doge. I'm hopeful that we can bounce here and break through these trend lines on a second test. It's all going to be dependent on what Bitcoin's also doing. If you want to get in on that, go check out my Bitcoin update video from today as well, and get a little bit of information on what Bitcoin could be doing. But as long as it plays along, we could be looking good for some Doge continuation. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, put your questions down there. Let me know what y'all think. Thanks.